Hello chess lovers. Today we will check out Stafford Gambit, a highly venomous opening. With so many traps, it is very tricky opening, especially in shorter formats. Opponent with white pieces starts with pawn to e4. We play e5. After knight f3, we play knight f6, the Petrov defense. After knight takes e5, d6 and knight takes e4 are commonly played and opponent will be prepared for them. So instead, we surprise him with tricky move knight c6, the Stafford Gambit. After knight takes c6, d takes c6, from this position on, we have so many traps and it is very hard for the opponent to survive them. We have sacrificed a pawn, but in return we get initiative and an attack on the king side. White has three main moves: d3, knight c3 and e5. Let us check them one by one. White plays d3 to consolidate the pawn chain, but it allows us to launch a strong attack with bishop c5. If white plays normal development move like knight c3, then we play knight g4. The f2 square is under attack and there is no way to defend it. We have major advantage only after 6 moves. So many opponents play bishop g5, trying to pin the knight. However, we stun the opponent with knight takes e4, offering queen sacrifice. If you are good at bluffing, you can also act like you blundered your queen. More than 80% white players capture the queen here. We play bishop takes f2 check with a smile. After white plays only move king e2, we deliver stunning checkmate in 8 moves with bishop g4. After knight takes e4, even if the opponent senses the danger and doesn't capture our queen, still we are completely winning. For example, if white plays d takes e4 trying to defend f2 square, we will still surprise him with bishop takes f2 check. If he captures bishop with his king, we will win his queen. And if he plays king e2 trying to defend the queen, we will play bishop g4 check, skewering white king and queen. We will win white queen and the game very soon. After d3, bishop c5, opponent can play h3 trying to stop knight g4 and our kingside attack. We play sneaky move h5. After he plays bishop e2, further controlling g4, we play queen d4, threatening queen takes f2 check. So white defends by castling. We play sneaky move knight g4. After h takes g4, h takes g4, most opponents capture g4 pawn with the bishop. We play stunning move queen e5, threatening queen h2 checkmate. White has no good defense. If he plays g3, trying to block the queen, queen takes g3 is a spectacular checkmate. Please note that f2 pawn is pinned by our bishop. And if white plays bishop h3, trying to block the rook, we sacrifice the rook with rook takes h3. By the way, bishop takes h3 is also winning. After g takes h3, we play queen g3 check, again taking advantage of pinned f2 pawn. The exposed white king cannot survive our strong attack and soon we are going to crush him. After knight takes c6, d takes c6, instead of d3, opponent can play knight c3, defending e4 pawn and developing knight. We still go bishop c5. Many opponents play logical move bishop c4, developing piece and preparing to castle. We play knight g4, attacking f2 pawn with bishop and knight. Majority of opponents castle here, taking king to safety, which also defends f2 pawn. We unleash queen h4 with many deadly threats. Our main threat is queen takes h2 checkmate. So opponent defends with h3. We play knight takes f2, attacking black queen. If opponent plays rook takes f2, then we can play queen takes f2 check. Bishop takes f2 is also winning. After king h1, we are winning due to material advantage and safer king. In addition to normal moves like castle, bishop e6, b5, we can also play sneaky move bishop g4, attacking white queen. If opponent plays h takes g4, then queen h4 is a beautiful checkmate. Instead of rook takes f2, if opponent plays queen f3, attacking our knight and defending the king side, we stun the opponent with knight takes h3 double check. After king h1, we again give double check with knight f2. After opponent plays only move king g1, we deliver checkmate with queen h1. After knight c3, bishop c5, if white plays bishop e2 instead of bishop c4, then we reply with h5, preparing knight g4. White plays h3, trying to stop knight g4. We play queen d4, threatening queen takes f2. White defends by castling. We play knight g4. After h takes g4, h takes g4, bishop takes g4 loses to queen e5 as we seen earlier. White's best attempt of survival is g3, but still we play queen e5, threatening queen takes g3 checkmate. After white defends with king g2, we play mind-blowing move bishop takes f2. If rook takes f2, then we will play queen h5, threatening queen h2 checkmate. White has no good way to defend. So instead of rook takes f2, white plays king takes f2. Now we play rook h2 check. King g1 or king e1 loses to queen takes g3 checkmate. So white goes king e3. We play queen takes g3 check. We will soon hunt down completely exposed vulnerable white king. After knight takes c6, d takes c6, instead of d3 or knight c3, opponent can play e5, a natural looking move defending the pawn and attacking our knight. We play knight e4. Opponent plays d3, trying to kick the knight further. We play stunning move bishop c5, offering knight sacrifice. If opponent captures the knight, then after bishop takes f2 check, eventually white queen will fall. For example, king e2, bishop g4 check, king takes f2 and queen takes d1. So realizing this, many opponents play bishop e3. After bishop takes e3, f takes e3, we play queen h4 check, threatening queen f2 checkmate. Opponent plays g3, only move to avoid checkmate. We offer the knight sacrifice again with knight takes g3. After h takes g3, we will win the rook. We have winning advantage due to completely exposed white king and bad pawn structure. Hope you are excited to use these Stafford Gambit traps to catch your opponents off guard and win games early. Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting chess content.